Yeah.
Okay, hi.
Come near the post stand.
The person who is recording this is the main hero.
So this is the director Venugopal.
So, இப்போ அதுதான் பிரச்சனை.
Annaya, Prashant Neel.
As an audience, I'm really satisfied with it.
கேரக்டர்ல நம்மளே போயிட்ட மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு.
கொன்னுட்டேன் நீ அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் கொல்ல எல்லாரையும் கொன்னுட்டேன்.
The actor did a great job, guys.
Bro's acting was really so good and
Very convincing actor, by the way.
you can get chances in big
You
industries.
wild that character. You were living it. It was so good.
Hi, hello, welcome. Today we are screening our midterm short film. So now we are here at 3 o'clock and our executive producer is here and we are waiting for the audience to come, and this is the theatre which is
Katileshwara Entertainments.
Katileshwara Entertainments, and we have like somewhere around 50 seaters and we are waiting for those people. So all those 3 shows has been booked, and this is execution, this is the film, resume, and this is the screen. And here a lot of people will be sitting and watching our short film, telefilm, sorry, and we'll get to know the reviews about it. Once the 3 shows is done, we'll be asking the reviews for everyone, and let's see how they responded. Cool.
Very good. Just open the mask. Nah, I can mean the maroon.
We're like come on. Promote.
Okay. Yeah, please guys, come no, please. Yeah. Bro, you you 3 years old.
Are you Param?
Yeah.
Okay, hi. Great job. Sorry.
You watched it?
Yeah, I finished the first show.
How was it?
It was great.
Cool. What did you feel about it?
It was nice. It was greatly written. Great. People acted really well. And then I think you also did a great job.
Thank you.
And special mention to Karthik because his music was nice and whatever he done and it was great.
Okay.
So I love the film.
See, this is what happens with Karthik reference. They will speak
No,
about Karthik.
also not because of that. Also, I would appreciate Venu's effort in it and all the others.
Whose friend are you?
Karthik's.
Let's see. We got it revealed. So there is a
No,
special
but I think,
compliments.
but I also think you did a great job.
Okay, thank you.
You as it?
Yeah.
Param. You did a great
Covering up. Good. Nice. This one all will go in vlog.
Okay.
Okay, you're okay with it. I'm
Okay,
getting
hi,
your
I'm
permission so
Sushma.
that you will not put the digital rights. Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Sir, me rendu. Come here, come this side. Come near the post standing. Come near the standing.
Look at the compliments, man.
Minus. 11.
How are you feeling?
Okay.
It's getting straight.
Yes, sir. One. Sir.
Your role is very good, bro. Best for acting.
Thanks. And how was it?
I have already given.
Review, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's Karthik's mom.
Thanks, sir.
So this is the director Venugopal. This is Karthik Shivan. He's the writer, cinematographer, music. Cinematographer. Now the cinematographer. Okay. So again, we'll be starting the screening in 3 minutes.
Good. You do it.
So that's our this is the main lead. Okay. So thank you so much for coming and supporting us. We'll just screen the movie in 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah. So please keep your phone in silence.
Sorry, but thank you.
No. If anyone's phone rings, no, I'll be the one to take it. Appa SP road le vitruva. Okay. So yeah, please guys.
వాష్రూమ్ లోపల రైట్ సైడ్లో ఉంది, పైన కూడా ఉంది.
Gucci bikes ఉంది. గణేష్ సార్ వచ్చిన కమ్మి దాం అర్ధ వర్షం
సూపర్. రాణి నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు షో చూడు. చూస్తావా చూడవా?
Very sorry. 2 minutes will be ready. Just wrapping it. Bega. Okay, done now.
You saw them?
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah, how was it? Any reviews?
I was the first draft editor. I have seen you more than anyone. With number of cuts. You've done a really good job. And the person who is recording this is the main hero, so I'm talking to him.
ஸோ இப்போ அதுதான் பிரச்சனையே. ஏன் பொண்ணு ஒரு பையன் கூட தனியா இருந்து
So I came like off of the way it punctured, then I noticed it was wobbling a lot. This way.
Yes. But there's a lot of people they do, no? Okay guys, we're gonna give tea for the very tired 3 years movie Madiro director. You come. tea குடிங்க உள்ள மதன் பசங்க 100 crores
You smoke?
next superstar அண்ணயா பிரசாந்த் நீல்.
You don't want tea?
No, not
The Tayasam director and the music director is having tea. Here is the music director Karthik, and here is the director and editor too, and the sound designer has been a lot. And here is the first editor. So we have the show is going on. This is the second show, and the first show we got a review, and we are waiting for the review of the second show. So cool. So let's go and see what has happened and how people have liked it.
ஐயோ தலைவரே நீங்களா?
Congratulations! Finally got released.
Oh. So he is the DA artist of the film. Color grading and color grading. Shivraj, bro, Elvis bro, Abbas character. He acted in that film. Elvis sir. So this is our director Venu Gopal, writer and music director is Karthik Shivan. DA artist Shivraj, is Elvis sir, one of the actors. Others couldn't make it. And this guy, who's this guy? This guy was the back artist. Someone was there in the background artist. He's the lead actor. He's called Param. I'm Dinesh. I'm the executive producer of the film. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed the show. I just wanted to ask something. If you guys have any questions, you can shoot out to the director. First, you can congratulate him. Then you can ask the questions. Yeah. Yes, please. Don't be shy. It's fine. Even I didn't understand the film. Part 2, produce Mariana. Yeah, come on, guys. If you have any questions or if you have any doubts or if you want to congratulate him, you can do.
I would feel to share a comment.
Yeah, please.
I mean, writing something like this, the writer should have a clarity on what he is writing. I felt it was really well written. It was very well directed as well. I think, they would have, there should be certain rapport with the writer and director, which I feel. When he writes so many layers after one another, the writer should also be like, he should also have understood it. I think he has understood it very well, and then the execution overall, it engaged me in every minute. As an audience, I'm really satisfied with it.
Thank you. Any more comments or questions?
So when it comes to music part, this guy has nailed it very well. I'll appreciate on it.
Thank you. Any more after 7 o'clock? There's another show after this. It will start in 20 minutes. If you guys want to join the show, you can. Okay, we have seats available. So.
Rashmi, rendu character ku.
Oh yeah. Sorry, maranduttam. She's Rashmi. She did dubbing for 2 small characters. One scene. In the same scene, She did dubbing for 2 characters, but we wouldn't notice the difference. Okay? So she's Rashmi. Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you, Rashmi. She actually recorded online only. We didn't. This is the first time we are meeting her. Yeah, this is the first time we are meeting her. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. So, right. All the other actors and all came for the first show. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for supporting us. Okay. So you can collect the refreshments there. This review. Review. Yeah. When you get outside, no, is there in the left. You'll get the refreshments, and up there next to the standee you can give the reviews. So you guys can share, tag us. The production company is called Imaging Reality. These 2 started it, and there's another person also, Karthik. He couldn't make it today. So they're making films from their childhood, I guess. Since 10 years back they've been writing and doing films and all. Yeah. Okay. He is actually Param. He has acted in web series. He's acted in feature films and all, Tamil, primarily Kannada. He's acted close to 70 to 80 short films. 7 గంటలు వేస్తున్నాం.
casting எல்லாமே அந்த ரோலுக்கு நம்மளே
What do you feel?
கேரக்டர்ல நம்மளே போயிட்ட மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. Very nice acting. Super. It was very natural. கேமரா முன்னால நடிக்காத மாதிரி. It was very nice. Very nice. Best of luck.
Congratulations.
Thank
You did a great job. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I did dubbing for them.
Okay, you're an artist, right?
Yeah, I'm an artist. Also an artist.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, the actor did a great job, guys.
Yes.
It's so film.
You man.
Made me okay.
How did you feel, man?
கொன்னுட்டேன் நீ அவங்க 2 பேரும் கொல்ல எல்லாரையும் கொன்னுட்டேன். Yeah, I like editing very much.
Yeah, actually, I forgot to tell that. The editing is very good. The movie Nrityam is it's very, very good. We felt the editing was really super good, and it didn't nowhere it felt like it's a short film or something like that. It felt like a feature film for overall like 15 minutes. Yeah, it was very good, and we saw our Param in a very, very different role. Yeah, it was a bit weird in the first where the Param we saw and Param we used to see was a bit different. To get into that, oh, this is Param in this movie was it took a bit amount of time, but when the music kicked in the right time, the 15 minutes was super good.
Thank you.
Do you want me to take the reviews or like what?
Reviews also you can take. I want to take reviews and take.
I just watched Nrityam. Bro's acting was really so good, and the movie was directed by Venu Gopal. He's one of our friends. Climax part, was hitting me so hard. Like, what have they done? And the best part was like Karthik Shivan's music. All credit goes to the entire team and cast. Everything was so good. I really wanted to go for another show, but still I have some work to do here. So the movie would be uploaded to the YouTube. So guys, please do watch and promote, subscribe, and there is a page called production. When people will let you know in the comment section. So please do watch and spread the happiness. Thank you so much.
Hey, see, these are the people who watched my premiere of Telefilm, and they're giving me reviews. Please do speak. How did you feel about it?
Yeah, Param. I'm
She's feeling shy. And here again. Hey,
It was really unique and very good.
Thanks.
You acted very well, and you can get chances in big industries also.
very convincing actor, by the way, and you look very cute here.
Thanks.
It was so good.
Okay, cool.
The expressions, all of it was on point, and it looked like you are that character. You were living it.
Okay.
So it was all you. It showed a lot of involvement. Thank you.
Show latecomers.
I just felt that his performance in the film was amazing.
Kill or handle. Trust me, really good.
The way the Param carried his actor was crazy.
It was really good. Really good.
It was really nice seeing you on screen.
There are some few people who are asking when the movie will be released so that they can watch
Not few people, bro. அது நீங்க தான் அது